Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete payment method on OfferUp. So in order to do that, first of all, open a web browser and go to OfferUp.com. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well in order to go ahead and delete your payment method. Once you're logged into the main homepage, go to the top right corner and click on your drop down right next to your profile avatar. In the pop-up menu, select Account Settings. Now, go ahead and click on Payment and Deposit Methods from the left-hand menu. Now, under Payment Method, you'll be able to see all of your payment methods listed. To delete a payment method, click Delete right next to the option and click on Delete in order to delete your payment method you are using for OfferUp. Remember that the action is permanent and cannot be undone. If you have another payment method, then the payment method that is left on the account will now be the default one. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.